We spent day 2 driving, just driving, and looking into things. Just amazing. Queenstown's really amazing. So, yep, all the driving. Look at that. Yeah, that. Look at that. And more driving with a bit of selfie under a side mirror. Should be doing that. I'll get in trouble.
But this is still...
It's still...
not Melbourne.
Okay, so where are we now? Obviously, I didn't know I'll be copy strike with this.
When you're traveling, you should always bring snacks. The spur snacks. There's some good. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye.
A jacket.
I don't know where to go.
Just follow the line. Whatever line there is. I think you can go down there where Philos, follow rules. No, they don't follow rules. You can go there and go down there. So where are we?
There's just a lot of picnic
Where are we?
areas.
We're in Lake
Manipuri. Fresh.
Manipuri.
Manipuri. I don't know.
Manipuri. Puri. Yes. So it's cold. It's cold. But it's not as cold as Sassy.
I don't know if there are trails here.
This is a trail.
I mean, hiking trail.
So we just arrived. And it's just this. It's not green. It's alright. Look at that Utin mountain. There's an Utin mountain there. And
If we go to Doubtful
this is just like Taal.
Di umato ka Doubtful Sound, it's gonna be full of mountain.
Ooh, nice plate number. So yeah, it's like all the boats are here. I can see a jetty. There's a parking lot here, motherfucker. Damn it. Anyway, I just needed to pee. I park up there. Crazy me.
This is so nice.
Where are we?
Fucking cold, man.
Yeah, Tiana Lake. Just left that part there. That's kind of famous. And we're heading home. Keep quiet. Welcome to this new series of New Zealand wildlife. You can see there are animals there, and name is Tumbles, and I forgot the other name.
Wildlife.
Yes, back to my story. There are 2 of them over there, and I forgot their name. I don't even know what animals they are. Yes, that's all. This is what you call wildlife photography. I'll take a picture of a wildlife, and then I call it a wildlife picture. That's right, wildlife photography. I passed by this area. I always thought this was a waterfall, but it smells kinda different. It smells like the sewers. It could be the sewers. What the fuck? So it seems like it's been a long walk. I thought it was an easy walk. Yes, it is an easy walk, but it's not that easy walk. Though it's a flat walk, I still walk. Fucking walk. Walk. What did you eat?
Oh, blackberry. And some?
No, we're good. Okay.
They are.
Oh, you get some more. That's the way to do it, okay. I'm good.
You can get that for me.
She's been stealing blackberries. Is it blueberries? What berries are they?
So I should have brought a bike.
So here I am, what they call controls gates. I was wondering why they called it control gates, because it's like a dam. It controls the water. It's cool, isn't it? So here I am in the control gates. And so yes, we're in the Rainbow Beach, and now I'll show you the place. Actually, I'm just gonna show you. It's difficult walking backwards, you know, while trying to talk, but yeah, look at the view. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is the view. There's the river. There's a crazy lady running for the camera.
No,
Oh, that's coming out of the vlog.
it would be so cool making you have a view of the whole river in a no?
I have nothing to say but just say ha. Okay, that's all for today. Like this, but this is the version 1. I don't have a flip mirror on me, so this is the RX 100 version 1. That's the Canon 70D. So yeah, as you can see, I can't see myself. I just guess. I was supposed to use the RX 100 for vlogging like this, but this is the version 1. I don't have a flip mirror on me, so this is the RX 100 version 1. That's the Canon 70D. So yeah, as you can see, I can't see myself. I just guess. It's an RX 100. Anyway, this is how the RX 100 works. And I'll compare it with a Canon later. So, yep. We're onto the trail now with that crazy lady.
Not crazy.
Crazy lady.
I'm not a lady.
Well, that was the Kepler track at YU River. I don't know how to read it, but yeah, so we were there for a while, did a quick hike, and then traveled again. So this day we just spent it all driving. So I love driving, so it didn't really matter. Well, yep, this was the first time we saw snow-capped mountains. Amazing. I still look at all the footage of the driving and still enjoy it. Okay, we're in Tiano. How do you say it? Tiano. So lovely show in the sky. Yeah. Okay, I'm here in Tiano. I don't know if I did said the name right, but I'm walking by the river. No, the lake. Sorry. And I'm hungry. And I want to eat steak. And I did my run already earlier. It was a long run. 20 minutes. And I hurt my muscles.
muscles. Yeah. But yeah, still doing good here in New Zealand. I can see some zip lines here. I don't know what they're called. Yes, they're the kids. Anyway, yep. And there's Laura there, up the tree. Left me because I'm too slow. I'm doing my videos. Hope you guys are good there in Melbourne. Oh my shit, my legs are painful. Shit. Oh, I'm gonna do a 3-hour trek tomorrow. I don't know how I'm gonna survive it. I'll see.
It's time for me to binge.